gosh. Yeah. Oh gosh. Oh my. They all just flew above me. Oh gosh. It's a tornado of them. Live report. Tornado. A tornado of birds alert. Tornado of birds. Oh gosh. This cannot be good. They're all in that tree. Right over there. Oh god. That's what I was hearing. So I guess that's what I was hearing.
The dog's going crazy.
So that's what I heard. Oh no! I better not get pooped on. I'm posting this to YouTube. This is crazy. People could use this for meme compilation. People could use this for meme compilations. This is... Oh gosh, I thought these things were bats. At first I thought that's what they sounded like. That's crazy. They're so loud. I'll probably never see this ever again. Look at them all on the trees. The trees are littered with them. What are they, crows? Oh gosh. Oh! Oh my! Just a few of them left. Oh, they're all going that way. They're all going over there. And they're gone. I don't think I'll ever experience that ever again.